Roadshow, we're still waiting on that time machine. We're still waiting on the technology that can just halt the aging process. But you may still be able to feel like you can at least slow the clock down, even if you can't stop it, with a little scientific intervention. Dr. Jeff Arbuckle is the medical director at Fountain of Youth MD, and he's here with master esthetician Kaity to tell us more. Thanks for coming on the Hampton Roadshow.
Well, thanks for having us.
So what do you want people to know about Fountain of Youth and you yourselves, who you guys are, and what you like most about being in this particular field?
Well, I'm Jeff Arbuckle, and I'm a board-certified physician and the medical director of Fountain of Youth MD. We specialize in anti-aging and hormone innovations. It's all cutting-edge, state-of-the-art technology, and it is so much fun to have people feel young again. That's sort of become our motto.
Okay. So tell me about some of the treatments, some of the most popular treatments that are performed there that people are coming in and wanting.
Well, I perform all of the treatments on myself before I do them on my patients.
Okay.
I like to give kind of like honest expectations of what they're going to see with their services. I would say on my end, the most popular would be Fractura, which is a non-surgical facelift. It's microneedling with radio frequency, and it boosts the collagen and elastin in your skin.
Okay. So if somebody is interested in these treatments, the minimally invasive treatments, non-surgical, what can they, are these things they're doing on their lunch hour? Are they taking a day off? Are they going back to work? Like, what should people expect if they're planning to investigate one of these treatments?
Many of our procedures are what we call lunchtime procedures, and they can be done in under 20 minutes. All of my staff participate in all of our therapies. I try everything. I'm always the guinea pig and the first one to try something.
Okay.
And I won't prescribe anything to anybody unless I've experienced it myself. But we have wonderful new therapies that really affect people. One of my passions has always been weight control. But it's evolved into other hormonal therapies. The secret seems to be hormonal balance.
Tell me a little bit more about that. And is it individual to each person? And where is the science going that's helping you kind of crack the code for each individual person versus, you know, diets and things that people try by the masses?
Well, it is very much individualized. We use kind of a flexitarian approach. It depends on your individual likes and dislikes, anything to make life easier. We use a revolutionary peptide-type therapy to help people with weight loss. But again, it manipulates hormonal levels and really helps people make differences. I've always been a passionate believer in education. We think that empowers our patients to try to become or to participate more in their care. I've always been very passionate that they can augment their therapy.
Yeah, if they understand what's going on. We are running out of time, but Kaity, I wanted to ask you, and I guess I could ask you this question too, but I wanted to ask Kaity, since you've tried some of the treatments and since you're performing the treatments, tell me about the measures that you can take to make people more comfortable, whether it's an issue of whether there's a little pain involved in the procedure or if they're just nervous.
Well, I numb all my patients, especially for the more invasive ones like the Fractura. We use a topical lidocaine. I let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. You know, you're comfortable, you're on a bed, we have pillows, blankets, whatever you need, but I mean, it's not too painful, and it's worth it.
Okay. All right. Well said. If you have questions about Fountain of Youth MD, you can find them at 2859 Virginia Beach Boulevard, Suite 108 in Virginia Beach. You can also give them a call, 757-644-4615, or start doing your research online right now, fountainofyoumd.com. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Fountain of Youth MD.